Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset the LG 43QNED80. To do it, press and hold on the settings button on your remote to open the full settings page. Then go to General and then go to System. Then at the very bottom you can find Reset to Initial Settings. Then you need to click on Reset All. And now your TV will take a moment to restart itself, and after that it should be done. So let's wait now and I'll get back to you in a moment. And now the TV is reset and you can set it up. If you don't know how to set it up and want to, there is a video on our channel on how to set up LG 43QNED80. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.